Hi friends, welcome to my channel Kavita Roju, the simple and healthy kitchen. Please share my channel and subscribe my channel. Press bell icon. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you friends. Thanks a lot. Today's motivational topic is when you want to do success in your life, you have to give some time to yourself also, because after working so many hours in the office or on your goal, you have to spend alone time with yourself. It means you have to take care of yourself also. In the alone time, you have to think, what should we do, what should I do, the next planning. You have to decide, how can I get success. So whatever happened in the past, what is going in the present, what I am doing is correct. You have to think about your total life and yourself, and give compulsory to 1 hour to yourself. When you are alone or when you are giving time to yourself, connect all the connections, disconnect all the connections, and you don't spend alone time, and think about, close your eyes, think about yourself. What was happened in the morning, evening, am I correct in all my day? So you have to give yourself, not only for your goals. Think about your relationships, think about your health, think about your family life, what is going in your life. So you have to think, and sometimes we have to verify ourselves, the way we are behaving is correct, that way. So you have to think about yourself in 1 hour time. Thank you friends. Please subscribe me and share my channel.